Hey guys, welcome to Skin's video. Today we have a action. So make sure to wear your safety goggles, because what if the balloon explodes like this and then goes out and makes a whole mess? So that way we wear safety goggles. What's your thing?
What's in
Chicken
the balloon?
wing.
Chicken wing. What's in the balloon?
Vinegar. Baking soda, and that's vinegar.
Yep, and when they mix, what do they make?
Action.
Chemical
Reaction. And it makes a gas.
Yep, and that's what makes the balloon inflate.
Yeah, but how does air come in it?
The gas is what makes the balloon expand, like it has air in it. The more you know. You ready for this?
That's kind of cool, guys.
It's kind of cool. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here it goes.
Can I?
Oh my word.
Let it go of it.
Okay.
I will tell you when to take it off.
You will?
I will tell you when.
That is so cool. Should I tie it?
Not yet.
Not yet. That is pretty awesome, dude. Cool.
Take it off now.
Excuse me?
Please?
Oh, okay.
Stuff came in my mouth.
That's why we wear goggles, so you don't get in our eyeballs. There you go.
Can we do one more?
I think we're done because it's time for bed.
Please.
No thanks. Can you tell everyone bye?
Bye.